Question number 18. Calculate the length of median through the vertex A of the triangle ABC with vertices A 7, minus 3, B 5, 3 and C 3, minus 1. Let us draw a triangle ABC. A is equal to 7, minus 3 and B is equal to 5, 3. C is equal to 3, minus 1. A point is 7, minus 3. B point is 5, 3. And C point is 3, minus 1. That is point D. AD is the median of BC. In triangle ABC, AD is the median which bisects BC. So BD is equal to DC. BD ratio DC is equal to 1:1. Coordinates of D is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2 by midpoint formula, which implies coordinate points of D is equal to 5 plus 3 upon 2, 3 minus 1 upon 2, which implies 8 upon 2, 2 upon 2, that is 4 and 1. Coordinates of D is equal to 4, 1. So length of AD, that is equal to, by distance formula, A is equal to 7, minus 3 and D is equal to 4, 1. That is equal to x1, y1 and x2, y2. So by distance formula, x2 minus x1 raised to power 2 plus y2 minus y1 raised to power 2, which implies x2 is 4 minus 7 raised to power 2 plus 1 minus plus 3 square, which implies minus 7 plus 4, that is equal to minus 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16 and root 25, which implies 5 square root is cancelled, and we get the length of AD is equal to 5 units. Answer. In triangle ABC, A point is 7 minus 3, B point is 5, 3 and C point is 3, minus 1. B draw a point D that is median and which bisects two equal parts. BD is equal to DC and ratio of BD and DC that is equal to 1, ratio 1. And coordinates of D by using the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. X1 is 5 plus x2 is 3 upon 2. 5 plus 3 upon 2, that is 8 upon 2. And y1 is 3, y2 is minus 1. 3 minus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 2 upon 2 and is equal to 1. And the coordinate points of D is equal to 4, 1. And we find the length of AD. Point of A is 7, minus 3, that is x1, y1, and point of D 4, 1, x2, y2. Length of AD by using the distance formula, that is root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. X2 is 4 minus x1 is 7 raised to power 2 plus 1 minus plus 3 raised to power 2. 7 minus 4, that is minus 3 square, plus 3 plus 1, 4 square. Minus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 4 square is equal to 16, and sum of 16 plus 9, that is equal to root 25. Root 25 is equal to 5 units. Answer. Thank you.